Okay, good morning. Oo, makatutong kapasyolan ni Mama. Good morning guys, so ay na ang Terra Verde Grace model.
Perfect.
So this is your living room. Dining, CR. Sa right side is your second room. Because your primary room is here. Yung master's bedroom. And then sa back, this is your dirty kitchen here. Your boundary here. And then the good thing about the boundary is double wall siya, no? This is your neighbors, this is yours. Okay? Pwede ka matunga sa ano isa. So this is your laundry area, PDD. And this is your parking area.
Wow.
Sige, makatutubig.
Hi guys! Now I got a ducky!
Got? Chanti?
Yes.
There's another one, guys. Show you. This bread.
Now this is
Different
the
size.
one.
Mm-mm-mm.
No.
So we'll eat this one. Siga mo na
One.
this flash. Yun. Bread. Different colors, guys, from Blue Basket.
Now let's go open this.
So we will have coffee with this bread.
Papa, this with you.
Okay na?
We'll open it.
Wala. Hindi na request.
Wow!
Recharge your cell
What's that?
phone, guys.
This sticker. But hindi ko gusto matapik si ito ang namin ni Hello Kitty may bag. Kani itago ko na. Bye-bye!
Please.
Please subscribe!
Guys, so we'll have our coffee now. And so ano siya? So awal it na ba yun? Medyo ka ano siya? Medyo ka nanit siya. Wow. So tapos coffee. Sausaw. Hindi. Meron pa siya ang ano. Meron siyang sesame seed na black. Color black. First time ko yung kita ng sesame na color black.
The color black?
Normally, ang mga sesame seeds, white, di ba?
Oo, white na si Ma.
Ano? Alam? Color. Siguro, ang gamit nila, food coloring.